Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we write a JavaScript program to determine whether a given fraction is proper or improper. Fractions are an essential concept in mathematics, and identifying their type is a basic yet important operation. Let's dive in and explore the solution. A fraction is considered proper if its numerator is smaller than its denominator, when both are positive. Otherwise, it is an improper fraction. For example, the fraction 12 over 300 is proper, while 103 over 3 is improper. This program we will write will make this distinction programmatically. This program uses a simple function, proper-improper test, to check the fraction's type. It calculates the absolute value of the numerator divided by the denominator. If the result is less than 1, the fraction is proper. Otherwise, it is improper. The function then returns a string indicating the fraction type. The test cases demonstrate how this logic works for various inputs. The function follows these steps. First, it assumes the input is always an array with two numbers. Second, the numerator and denominator are divided, and the absolute value is calculated to account for negative values. Third, if the division result is less than 1, the fraction is classified as proper. Otherwise, it is improper. This logical flow ensures accurate classification of the fraction. Let's break down two examples. For 12 over 300, the division result is 0.04, which is less than 1. So, it is a proper fraction. 403 divided by 3, the result is 34.33, which is greater than 1, making it an improper fraction. This illustrates how the program handles different cases effectively. The ES6 version of the program simplifies the code using an outer function and the ternary operator. It's more concise while maintaining the same logic and functionality. This version is ideal for modern JavaScript development. In summary, this program efficiently determines whether a fraction is proper or improper by dividing the numerator by the denominator and comparing the result. It is a simple yet practical example of how conditional checks can be used to solve real-world problems in programming. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.